Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and let's dive straight into this video. Are you feeling sluggish or you find it very hard to concentrate lately? Well, today we're going to be diving into the world of brain boosting food that can help you stay sharp and focused at all times. Grab your notebooks because you're going to love these easy and delicious ideas, not to mention the last one to come. The foods we eat play a crucial role in how well our brain functions. Certain nutrients like antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamin, and mineral are scientifically proven to improve overall memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Let's explore some superstar ingredients and ways you can also use them. First up is berries. So lovelies, these little gems that you're seeing here, they are loaded with antioxidants that protects your brain from oxidative stress, and it can also improve communication between your brain cells. If it's a yes for you for berries, click that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe. Another brain boosting food is walnuts. Shaped like tiny brains for a reason. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for your cognitive function. Our next brain boosting food is salmon. Salmon is a fantastic source of DHA, which is an essential type of omega-3 that is known to boost memory and learning. Then we have our green leafy vegetables. Yep, these we tend to forget about, like spinach, kale, callaloo. These are packed with vitamin K and folates to slow cognitive decline. And for the crowd's favorite, dark chocolate. For a sweet treat, dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, improves blood flow to the brain, and it also helps with focus. Our final brain boosting food is turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and also boosting memory. If you want to know more about turmeric, the link for all the amazing health benefits will be in the description down below. There are so many ways you can enjoy these amazing brain boosting food. Some you can enjoy as is, like your berries, your nuts. But my favorite way of enjoying these amazing brain boosting food is by making a smoothie. These are all the ingredients you will need in order to enjoy my favorite brain boosting smoothie. That is 1 cup of berries, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of walnut butter. All you need to do, guys, is blend these together with a little bit of ice. Then you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comments down below, and subscribe for more amazing video.